Hi folks, let's find out what's new in the
refrigerators
and how to take care of
refrigerators
I love
refrigerators
direct. I love good
refrigerators
and good.
refrigerators I love great dishwashers.
I love
Refrigerators
and ranges that cook.
refrigerators
I really love.
refrigerators
Do you know there are dishwashers that are,
refrigerators
I'm talking KitchenAid.
refrigerators
Careful with your glassware and clean better than commercial dishwasher. You have to pre-wash with a commercial dishwasher, like with these.
dishwashers, 'Dishwashers, 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 'D Dishwashers.